everyone, so we're in Chelsea and we're gonna go into the 10th anniversary exclusive LABUBU pop-up. Let's check it out. So here is what it looks like in the front, and they have like 10th anniversary exclusives. I did not know that this was happening for 10 years. It's actually pretty intense. Here's what is offered. And then we have some little figurines, we have a bag, we have a keychain. We also have some of these figurines across the wall. Here is a New York specific one. We have some notebooks. It's all things that are branded for the monsters. This little setup, you can see all of the ones that are going to come in these mystery boxes. So you have this one, which is the Monsters One Piece series figurines. These are like nautical ones, or like piratey ones. And then we have these ones that are really cute. They're like little yoga ones with coffee, confidence, stretch out. They're super duper cute. Then we have some other options over here. So we have those are like cups, I think. And then we have some lanyards. We also have a Coca-Cola experience. These are adorable. Okay, and then here's some other stuff on the other side. Again, different little setups. I don't really know what those are. They're like sleepy ones. Here are some other ones. I love this one. It says yummy. There's some other Coca-Cola ones. These are like the ones that you can hang on your bag. So they're like in the bigger box. Those ones are really popular. And then these are pretty cute. They're like little hats, and they actually have like a zip opening. And then what do we have here? This looks like a little train track. It almost looks like Snow White inspired. And those are little cups, I think. Those are pretty cute. So this is our last little display. We have, again, other mugs. Those are super cute. And then we have these fluffy ones. We have some more keychains. We have this little king guy. And then we have this one, LABUBU Mini Market, adorable. You have LABUBU Cup of Noodle. You have a bunch of other things. The little sushi, super cute. These are what those look like. And then you have the little mini ones you put in the bag in all the different colors. Have some things over here, these with more art. And then you have some more of the same in the front. Little section here, and this is another little setup, and these look more like FIFA Soccer World Cup oriented. That one's adorable. It's definitely FIFA inspired. And then there's all of these little FIFA things. Here is the checkout right up front. We have these bags over here. I'm not sure what they are, but they look kind of pre-filled. And then this is the last little setup up here. So you have some kind of tie-dye ones. This one has glasses, super cute. And that is kind of it. So let me know what you think about these in the comments below. If you like them, love them, hate them. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.